Welcome to my tutorial on mapping objects to relational database using Hibernate. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the basics of using Hibernate to map Java objects to database tables. Before we get started, let me give you a brief introduction to Hibernate. Hibernate is a Java-based object relational mapping tool that makes it easy to map Java objects to relational database tables. First, let's start by creating a simple Java class that we want to map. In this example, we'll create a class called Employee that has a few properties like name, age designation, and salary. Now that we have our Java class, we need to map it to a database table. We'll do this using Hibernate annotations. First, we need to add the entity annotation to our employee class. This annotation tells Hibernate that this class is an entity that needs to be persisted to the database. Next, we need to define the primary key for our entity using id annotation. In this example, we'll use the auto-increment feature of the database to generate the primary key. Now that we've defined our primary key, let's start. We'll use the column annotation to map our fields to columns in the database. We're almost done. All we need to do now is create a configuration file for Hibernate and use it to create our database tables. In this example, we'll use the Hibernate configuration file named Hibernate. Here's what the configuration file should look like. And that's it. We've successfully mapped our Java object to a database table using Hibernate. Thanks for watching and happy coding!